I passed my first semester with a 3.75. So where the fuck's my motherfucking PS5, Missy?
Bingo.
I'll send her one of Pete's graduation caps. That way she'll have super special.
I mean, might as well just call it hidden. You know what I mean?
To be fair, I could take her to court for that, plus the mental anguish, the defamation, the slander. It's a whole ass
mess that you can get into, Missy, if you want to get into it.
Yes, I did, Jasmine.
Shadow. You didn't answer the questions, bro. This wasn't about you and Missy. Right.
Well, what's
If I have Shadow blocked, right?
I want to know where my PS5 is. Hold on, did she say a PS5 and 2 games of my choice?
Yeah.
So, hold on.
She's gonna make 84 videos of me and all of us tomorrow. Just be prepared, everybody.
Brand new PS5.
She did that one
Okay, so that's
when she got, we weren't talking.
500
So many weird videos.
Crash Bandicoot for the PS5.
It's like I'll be hiding under my bed from Shadow because she can't make videos of me.
So that's another 50.
I don't think you're gonna get an answer.
And then let's go
Just like she
Ratchet and Clank for the PS5.
Leslie, I remember that.
That's another 70. So that's 5, 6, 20. So that's 620 you owe me on top of defamation, slander, and everything else. You might as well just call it good, Missy, and chalk up your losses. How many people were in this room when Missy said she'd buy me a PS5 and 2 games of my choice for passing my first semester with a 3.5?
Diamond was mad at me because I wore my unlucky Lions shirt and I forgot that it was unlucky. And the Lions lost, so she was like, "We can't be friends anymore." And I'm like, "Well, that hurt my feelings." And then she was like, "It's okay if we forgive you."
Irene was.
Don't even learn to lie to you.
Amanda was.
I know, but her and I are Lions fans. We're both from Michigan, and it's a for-life thing. Yeah, but the Lions love her forever. She was on QP for the Lions game, so I'm just I know, she was very disappointed in my life choices that day.
So Missy.
Is best girl on TikTok? Who knows?
We were on TikTok in the beginning. She went over there, and she did her thing, and came over here.
So that I couldn't. I'm like, this gets me in trouble. Just take it.
Apparently both Missy and her friend are originally from Michigan. It was brought up multiple times. So you're looking at about $700, taxes included. Almost $800.
I know. But the Lions did win this week.
So, you want to say I owe you $900? You owe me $800 for a PS5 and the 2 games. So, should I send you $50 and we call it good?
Steven Eugene took it.
I just want to know.
Eugene, only for Ellie's birthday today. And I was only allowed to put birthday stuff on it. And then
So yeah, I mean, since she didn't get me my PS5 and 2 games, where's that at? Summer said send that bitch nothing.
We're going to do it.
I mean, it seems like we're both in breach of contract here, ma'am. Her betrayal covered the cost, that part.
So we got some new players this year. We'll see how it goes.
She owes a liar's fee. So just call it good. You didn't get me my PS5, and that's fine. You're a bitch.
And you're not gonna get your money.
And you're not going to get your money. You owed me a PS5 plus 2 games, therefore you get jack shit. Yak
He
shit.
went to Hills. He was one of the Christian schools in Hillsdale, and then he went to Hillsdale College, and then went somewhere else, and now he plays for the Lions. He's new, so he won't play.
But Dawn, Lindsay said zip it.
Lindsay, I'm just
Jack diddly squat. You right about that.
You can't deny it. We just have awesome players, and then all of a sudden they're like, oh, it's not. Listen, go Birds, but it's not my fault that they can't. Like, keep good players.
I mean, to be fair, it's roughly the same cost, so. I know. Doesn't she talk a good game, though?
They'll get all the way. They'll win everything. Like right now, they're in the championships. They're gonna do.
How are they in the
wonderful until they get
championships?
to the World Series, and then they're gonna fucking choke.
Oh, she must be talking baseball.
I mean, history
What
is
up?
history, and history repeats itself. So,
And history will change.
Amen. Amen. History can definitely change. Definitely. Why are you looking at everything today, you weird dog? You just looked at it. I hope so. I hope you have a good sleep, Kelly.
I think it's pretty fucking interesting.
I'll be on for
All of their friends scam them out of money, and I'm honest about my shit, and they get mad.
Tea Marie never came in here.
No, she should be off, but she's not in here, baby. How many are you in here? 28 was in here. Welcome back, Shania.
I think I should take it off before I take this dab,
Does anybody
because
want
I
to
feel like I'm gonna get real hot if I don't.
Because he's getting on my nerves.
Hold on, guys.
Go play, you got 30 minutes to bed.
He has curly hair.
Summer and Peter are friends with Shania. Don't. The friends with Shabby both look good.
Wait, buddy.
Good job, baby. Okay.
Teresa went on private. She's been hiding ever since the whole her in Vegas fallout. Thank you, babe.
She's been playing with it for days. I thought you gave it to her.
Well, I can get up in the morning and grab it when I need it.
Buddy. Buddy.
Oh.
Georgia ate a bunch of toothbrushes today.
For you.
She took one of his toys.
Nobody wanted to claim her, so she went back to the fire department. Goddamn, chicken. You're ruthless tonight. Same with Tina, Destiny, Raider, and Melissa. Nobody's seen hide nor hair of
At
them.
least we know you can hear.
And where's Elizabeth Paul? How you gonna talk about somebody like that and she ain't gonna show up to defend herself?
I don't want anybody to get used because it's a common feeling when you realize that's what's happening.
Right.
Back to the 9/11 memorial site.
No?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Crawled in the fucking burial hole that she crawled out of.
Angela, my girl plays with toys, but he rips them all up, so I don't get off ones anymore.
Oh yeah, DP Queen, they all fucking splintered, splattered.
Yes.
Destiny called Tina out. Tina called them all out.
A single one.
Oh, it was fucking hilarious. It was a good 3 or 4 days of just straight dumb shit.
She never chewed one up.
And they haven't recovered yet.
Yes,
No, they're
I
probably
give him
hiding in Discord, so say hi to Discord.
I give him the bows to chew on.
I gave Georgia one of those
Oh yeah,
things.
Tina cried. That shit was funny as fuck.
Squeeze them.
Yeah.
Not even gonna lie, that shit was funny as a motherfucker.
Really, babe?
I didn't realize I hadn't even in it.
Yes, of course.
This is the one I wanted.
With any toy she can find that has everything.
She chews on Leslie.
Uh-huh.
Georgia will take me by my arm, like she'll put her mouth on my arm and drag me, like make me walk around with her. But she doesn't. She's weird.
I mean, to be fair, he shouldn't be serving the way he acts.
Toothbrush, anything. So it's motivated by coffee.
Hey, Don, are you going to stay up till 2 o'clock in the morning and be back on at 5 again and tell everybody you don't have a drug problem? I'm just asking for a friend.
Wait, what?
I'm getting tired myself, and I don't want
Her
to
ass got fucking stayed up until 2 o'clock in the morning on a live and then got up
I'm
at
back,
5.
I'm back on at 5 a.m., yeah. Or 7 a.m. her time, excuse me.
I can.
Wait,
I'm not doing something to listen to.
you guys got half an hour now. Stop. Stop. No, go lay down.
Well, I'm doing something. I don't know what she's doing.
Sucking dicks for fucking quarters. She's sucking dick for quarters. What the fuck do you think she's doing? Weird bitch.
I put, what did Lindsay say?
Go. Lay it down.
That's hilarious, Lindsay.
Tina's just sad.
Happy birthday in the morning when you wake up.
Melissa and Ryder are scared and Tina's just sad. Tina doesn't have anybody left.
What do you mean who ran it shadow out? I mean, it was a troll account that I saw posted. I don't know who that account is. I can't find one of the 28 people she added to the fucking group. What do you mean?
Yeah.
It's no wasn't me. I was not in that group. She knew better. What, baby? You got that for Christmas last year. Hi, Gemini.
So I just want to
Exactly.
state one thing about this whole chat thing that they have that supposedly things got leaked and shit like that. That just shows you that you first, you don't learn your lessons. Second, you can't fucking pick and choose your fucking good enough fucking people.
Exactly. You can't build your friendships on hate and expect them to last.
Like, I really don't understand how that. Oh, well, how you gonna be a friend and tell me who? It's called fucking mutual respect. If your friend, if your best friend, if your friend sister is not fucking cool with somebody, and you're sitting in a box chilling with that person that your best friend hates, yeah, you're not being a best friend.
Exactly.
And I put out in her stroller, and she wiggle worms, like, she's slippery, just like a little kid. I'm trying to wrangle her. And she's like, no, and she's kicking her feet everywhere, and I pinched her little thigh fat in her, like, where the clip is, and you would have thought I
think Beth learned after the second time that she had the first time that she had the fucking group chat. She was like, yep, nope.
Beth doesn't belong in group chats.
I would have cried along with her. I felt horrible. Thank you. I'll try later. But yeah, I said happy birthday to you. Yeah, that little kid's not come on.
Okay, they're boring now. They're down. They're boring as shit. I'm glad I took my hoodie off for that because I instant have sweated. I'm gonna get these kiddos fed and end my day. I just wanted to point out the shadow begs for money Dawn dry bags for everything. Dakota's a straight out scammer.
And Missy, you're just a
Missy,
bad
you're
friend.
just a piece of shit friend. And like, I could never really fuck with you ever again.
Because of
Like,
that
I
status.
tried to give you a second chance and like do something for you to like help you mature. But that is obviously not going to happen. So for that reason alone, I could never sit with you again.
Never fuck with you. Never.
And this is a PSA to all you bitches watching on your troll accounts. Please know that none of you are welcome to openly sit here. We will boot you as soon as we find out who you are. Fuck y'all. We out.
But we love you, the rest of you.
Yes, but we love the rest of you.
You have a good night. We love you.
Good night, guys.